Hello, in this video we will move on and finally create our first application in previously installed Qt environment, and to be precise in Qt Creator IDE. I will show you step by step how to set up everything, so you will be prepared for the most important part, which is obviously programming application itself. Let's go! Find Qt Creator shortcut on your operating system and open it up. After it opens, you will encounter a welcome dashboard as you see here. Right now, click on the New Project. Next, click on the Qt widget application and click Choose. Set project name to Snake 3D. Choose project directory and click Next. Keep default settings. Again, keep defaults. And click on Finish. Our project was created, and now let's test it out if everything was done correctly. Click F9 button on keyboard. Wait for compilation process to be finished. And here we go. If you see this window, that means everything was done correctly. Well done!